Hey everybody, what's up? It's your girl Candace and I am back with another video. I have my drink in my hand. The sun is shining. It's a little breezy outside and it is the first official day of fall. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys along with me as I decorate my house for autumn. Not only do I have my fall drink in hand, let me show you my shirt. Halloween Town University. There's a lot going on in my house today. We have a couple people moving. We have my fall decorations going crazy. So if it is a little bit insane and hectic, just bear with me, okay? All right, y'all, so I've talked enough. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Give me love, give me all your love. Oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand. Could you hold my hand?
Look at I'm falling for you. Throw the leaves. We could throw the leaves and the leaves could just be falling and you could drop falling for you.
I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love.
Thankful and blessed sign up there that I put every year. I always decorate the mantle with the fall leaves and flowers. And then down here we have the wood that I just bought. I took it out, and honestly we don't turn the fireplace on until Christmas, but the aesthetic is a vibe. And then over here we have the crate pumpkin here. This says blessed who are all blessed all who are gathered here, and then fall, hello fall. And then I have a little hay, a little lantern with a candle that comes on at night, and then 3 pumpkins and some more leaves. So that is what the fireplace looks like. It looks like this every year. Super cute. Now let's move on to the kitchen.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Okay, so in the coffee area, this is like our little mini coffee bar area situation here. We have the Keurig here, and then I added this little fall leaf autumn tray. I had this last year. I don't remember where I put this last year. So I just put them here. I just put it here, and I added a couple fall mugs. I found this mug at Hobby Lobby. I love the olive army green, super cute. And then we have this mug that says hello fall, and then this is my mom's mug that I got for her a couple years ago. It says cold hands, warm heart. She's always said that for like my whole entire life, so I thought it was cute that they had it on a mug. And then I got this cute little pumpkin from last year. Me and my aunt, okay, so I actually put my aunt on Allison. I love Allison. I love her YouTube channel. Her and her husband are the cutest. And one night I caught my aunt like watching her YouTube videos, and I was like, oh my gosh, we both watch Allison. And she told me that in Allison's Shop With Me, her fall video, she had these cute little wooden pumpkin spoons. My aunt showed me these cute little wooden spoons, and look how cute they have a pumpkin at the end of them. She got them from Hobby Lobby, and so obviously I ran to Hobby Lobby and I got them because these are so cute. And I just put it in this cute little pumpkin that I got from Hobby Lobby as well. So this is our little situation over here. Alright guys, well that is it for today's video. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me today. If you liked it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up for your girl. Please comment, share, subscribe. Stick around for a while because I'd love to have you, and there's lots more fall videos to come. I will see your beautiful face in my next video. Love ya. Peace.
I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way. Yeah, yeah.